I'm not into. Informal shows lack of interest. I'm not into video games, I'd rather read a book. I'm not into running, I prefer cycling. I'm not fond of. Softer expression, often used for food, habits, or activities. I'm not fond of spicy food. I'm not fond of crowded places. I'd rather not. Polite refusal or preference to avoid something. I'd rather not talk about politics. I'd rather not eat junk food tonight. It's not my thing. Friendly way to show you don't enjoy something. Hiking is not my thing, I prefer the beach. Jazz isn't my thing, but I respect people who love it. It's not for me. Polite way of saying something doesn't suit your taste. Camping is not for me, I like comfort. Yoga is not for me, I prefer the gym. I'm not crazy about. Mild way of saying you don't enjoy something. I'm not crazy about chocolate cake. I'm not crazy about action movies. I'm not big on. Casual phrase meaning you don't particularly like it. I'm not big on seafood. I'm not big on shopping malls. I'm not that into. Very informal, expresses mild dislike. I'm not that into reality shows. I'm not that into social media. I can't stand. Strong dislike or irritation. I can't stand traffic jams. I can't stand rude behavior. I don't care for. Slightly formal and polite way to express dislike. I don't care for bitter coffee. I don't care for loud music. I dislike. Direct, less emotional than hate. I dislike waiting in long lines. I dislike cold weather. I can't bear. Strong expression of dislike, often for unpleasant things. I can't bear the smell of cigarettes. I can't bear staying in hot, crowded rooms. I'm against. Used for moral or principled disapproval. I'm against animal cruelty. I'm against lying to get ahead. I'm not a fan of. A polite way to say you don't enjoy something. I'm not a fan of horror movies, they keep me up at night. I'm not a fan of sushi, I prefer cooked food.